Why the fuck you all holding cameras? Who's gonna lift the motor?
Alright.
Yeah, wherever you
I'm good there.
feel appropriate. Right.
Is this on photo mode or something?
I don't know, it's retarded.
Wait, we ain't gonna get countdown.
That was recording.
3, 2.
Stop running away. Wow, these are not heavy.
No.
It didn't look very heavy.
Gotta shine it up real good.
Ooh,
Okay, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna be better or worse than the first one?
I want to say physically it looks way worse, but there's a chance it could be better if it didn't experience an iron failure. So I want to say, like, gotcha, it's better, but I'm just coping at this point, so.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be a brick, a rock.
What about
An
you?
anchor.
I think you could put that in a car and it'll run right now.
Yeah.
It doesn't spin.
No, I bet if you put an aggressive enough starter on it. Okay.
Guy ain't drain all of them. Curse him.
Okay, well, that oil doesn't look bad either.
Oh. Something metal did just fall in.
Yep. Got that rotary thrush washer.
The bearing.
Got a bearing.
It's spun a bearing.
No. Me when my rotary spins a bearing. I mean, they can't spin bearings. It's not really that funny. So it's funny that the other motor has the other side, and this side only has one of them.
Interesting.
So we have full set of fucking motor. No, this is
That's pretty cool.
I feel like this is still OEM because it has the white style RTV on it, and they don't seem to be torqued to infinity. They seem to actually be torqued to like 17 or whatever the fuck they get set to.
Interesting. The pan isn't really in bad shape either, all considering. Looks like all just surface crust.
Yeah, it'll probably clean up. We have enough parts. If something can be better, I just want one good housing. If there's like one really good housing in here, or even average, better than the one that's over there, I'll be ecstatic.
This motor. You just said this motor is just beautiful. Like,
You said it really sarcastic.
okay, it was just me like being like, what if it is? You know?
Rotaries don't get removed running.
Watching teardowns all day.
Oh, more slop.
There's still 2 bolts.
Is there?
Oh no. You know,
Hands.
here we go.
I'm out of hands, but not out of options.
For how durable they are.
I mean,
Yeah, it doesn't look like awful.
Dirt. There's a bunch of dirt.
Leaves.
It doesn't smell blown, but I do see shiny silver.
no.
No,
That might just be dirt.
might just be dirt.
The oil coming out of this thing doesn't look like it
I
does
don't know.
now.
This looks promising.
It's yellower than the other one.
Yeah, it doesn't really look bad.
No.
Oil looks okay. Woo! You got it.
That was always the scariest.
Well, because it's
Exposed to all the shitty.
Into the ultrasonic cleaner.
Into the bolt pile.
I'm starting to get the scent.
Yeah, the other one smelled like that at this stage.
Nah, this one's stinkier, bro.
The coolanty smell.
I don't
Alright,
know, it
gays.
smells like bad.
Gaze.
It smells really bad.
Give it a tap.
Yeah. Okay.
The owl came out nice.
Yeah.
Would your feet?
Alright, you ready, guys?
It's stinky. Ooh.
I mean, maybe this will clean up. Wait. Look at the.
Oh. Mm.
What?
Run your nail on that.
What? Where?
Right here. Run your nail on
Oh, that's edgeware. That's normal.
that. Okay. I don't know. I ain't no rotary.
A deeper. Well, I don't know. That might just be
No.
superficial.
The sad part is that this
It's
is
not totally wasted yet.
Oh, the nitriding is wearing down on here, but it has less step wear than the other one, and doesn't have a broken coolant groove. So this is slightly worse right now. That's how we're looking.
But only slightly.
Slightly worse. I mean, no, worse, because this rotor it was leaking all around, so this is like a higher mileage one. This is a C rotor. So I have 3 C rotors right now, which is cool. Now I can weight balance them, but the seals stuck apex seal. Stuck apex seal moment.
That's probably why it was.
No, it'll spin with a stuck seal. It's just
Well, no, I mean
compression.
like, maybe that was why it was retired.
It probably was something else, and it just stuck. All right, gaze.
Kind of curious.
Can we get the sides out?
Like that fucking other motor. Oh, that's coming.
Alright, so this housing, I will declare it. First off, is there a coolant groove there?
No, it's
No,
fine.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Just probably was just water got in it somehow. It did have the intake port straight up just fucking open.
Oh, yeah, I think that'll do it. Ooh,
Wow.
forbidden spaghetti.
This?
That doesn't look bad to me.
Nope, bad.
Uh,
Might be resurface able.
Ooh.
There's grooving here. It's consistent all around, at least the chrome wise, but something got in it. This is probably why it got foobarred. But this could probably be resurfaced down. There's some damage here as well.
Nah, that's big.
What about
That's
this?
deep.
It's just heat mark.
That's
That's really deep.
apex seal, letting gas escape. There's a lot of edge wear. So this is like the worst one so far out of all 3 of them we've looked at. It's still usable if it gets like skimmed down with like a drum.
Is this the one that's locked too?
Yeah, they're all both locked. The other one was locked for a different reason. This one is just like. Normally you're supposed to like take the front cover off. I'm lazy, I don't want to do that.
Some ookiness in there.
Is that another rat house?
I'm wondering.
It is another rat house. Fuck this down, bro. Let's look at the
Really?
mouse hat.
Oh my
god. No wonder it didn't fucking move. That doesn't look terrible though.
No, it doesn't.
This, I don't know what's going on there.
Rat house.
Yeah.
See, you tried to compress it too.
Some springy.
They're there. They're not stuck.
Are they 3-piece?
Yeah. C rotor. 4 C rotors. That's not going up there. That's going down here. 4 C rotors. Pretty good. They're all C. We have replacements. So, just cracking. Or just slight, very slight damage. But yeah, this is the second good rotor to the housing I wanted. Let's go. I don't want to touch any of that.
You touched the last one.
Oh, this one looks like somehow worse.
I wonder if it's like dead mouse in there.
I don't hear any music.
I knew you were gonna say some stupid shit.
David was soon kicked out of the function after this. The iron is pitted again. So, this one still has some damage. I'm not getting this up, am I?
Maybe if you pry on it.
I mean, yeah, I guess I could pry on it, because now the fucking...
Oh, that's coming up.
It just took the
Oh.
whole...
Fuck it. Oh, I got one of the... I'll be able to pound that out. You can probably pound it forward or back, whatever the fuck.
Alright, so... This... This is... Where is it just shit built up on it?
I think it's caked up. It looks above the surface level.
Yeah, it seems to be caked on.
The ultrasonic will tell us.
It's... little both. But this is not where it matters. It matters on the compression side. And that looks good. You know, there's obviously not the best. It came apart, which can't say much about the other one. It's better because at least somebody like didn't see these shit parts and like, yeah, I'm gonna build the motor off that. This is just straight up something happened and somebody parked it and never touched it again. Somebody else for that other motor actually physically decided, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna put a bunch of silicone on it because it'll be fine. It's gonna work.